Good morning to all. This is for class 6 MSc. Class 6. Today we are going to start our chapter number 2. That is a balanced diet and good personal hygiene health. In this chapter, we are going to study how we can keep our body fit by taking a balanced diet and by personal cleanliness. So the concept of this chapter is good nutrition and personal hygiene habit keep disease away and keep us healthy and well groomed. Observe a healthy eating routine and cleanliness to enhance your physique and personality. So, a good nutrition and personal hygiene means personal cleanliness keeps our body fit and keeps our body away from the diseases. So, we should always perform these two things in our life in order to fit our physique properly. Now the overview. Friends, you all must be aware of many benefits of adhering to a healthy eating routine as well as keeping yourself clean. A little care in selecting the food you eat and developing hygienic habit early in life goes a long way in promoting physical being and fashioning a well-groomed personality. Let us know something more about these. That as you all know that a healthy eating and personal cleanliness keep our body fit and clean. So we should do this on a regular basis. We should make these two things as our habit. So let us study more from this chapter. The first one is a balanced diet, fact and misgivings. Good nutrition means eating a good balanced diet. A balanced diet is one that provides all essential nutrients to the body in the right proportion, in the right quantity and at the right time of the day. So what is balanced diet? Balanced diet is that providing to our body all the essential nutrients, but that should be in right proportion, right quantity and at the right time of the day. A balanced diet must contain the different nutritive component of food, that is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, fiber and water in optimum quantities. So all these things present in a balanced diet. A balanced diet contains all these components. What are these components? Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, fiber and water. Now what are their uses? Carbohydrate and fat provide energy and heat. Protein enable tissue growth and repair. Vitamin fight off disease and help perform vital bodily function, while mineral aid various physiological system and organ in their smooth working. So these are the benefits of taking all these nutrients. That carbohydrate and fat, it provide energy and heat to our body. Protein, it enable our growth, the growth of tissue. Then vitamin, it help our body to fight from the disease. And mineral, it help physiological system and other organs also. Then fiber aid digestion and water form 70% of average human's body weight and is vital for survival. And we know water is very essential nutrient and it is very necessary for the survival of a human being. Now food requirements are special in adolescence. Adolescents need more protein and carbohydrates for the growth and energy than adults, as they are more active and are in the rapid growth phase of life. So balanced diet is good for everyone, but especially for adolescents, because adolescents need more protein and carbohydrate for the growth and energy. So rather than adolescents need more protein. That is why it is very necessary for adolescents to take a balanced diet. Now next is tips on healthy eating for preteen and teens. Include whole grains, brown bread, cornmeal, oatmeal as a staple in your diet. So one should consume the grains in his diet. Include green leafy vegetable and seasonal fruit, fresh fruit, at least 2 helping in a day. So one should eat green vegetable as well as seasonal fresh fruit. You must eat at least 2 helping from the milk group, that is curd, milk, butter, cheese, etc. So one should always consume the milk group things, means things made up of milk like curd, milk, butter, cheese. Have a cupful of sprouted mung, black gram every day for breakfast. In breakfast, one can take black grams or sprouted mungs. You may keep your breakfast as heavy as possible. Lunch lighter with a few chapatis, pulses and vegetables and some rice. Dinner should be the lightest meal of the day. So your breakfast should be as heavy as possible. Lunch should be lighter and dinner it should be the lightest meal of the day. Avoid tinned processed food, deep fried food, tinned fruit, aerates, drink and junk food. So all these are harmful for our body, so we should avoid all these kind of foods. Never overeat nor keep hungry for extended period. Never overeat or nor keep your body hungry for the extended period, means more period. A weekly fast purge the body of toxin and rest the digestive and metabolic system. A balanced eating routine need not be expensive. Whole grains, green vegetable, cheaper fruit that is banana, bear, custard, apple, etc. and some curd and plain rice will suffice. It does not mean that a balanced diet should always be expensive. It can be cheaper also. Like if you can take the green vegetable or cheaper fruit like banana, custard, apple, etc. or some curd, then it will be considered as the balanced diet and it will be more cheaper. Now expensive food like ghee, processed meat, fish, tinned fruit, juice, pizza, pies, etc. are not healthy for food and may cause obesity and its related disease. So expensive food like this can cause disease in your body. So one should avoid all these things also. Now next is tips on personal hygiene. Brush your teeth regularly twice a day using a soft toothbrush. Do not brush for more than 5 minutes. Use a good mouthwash before going to bed. You may use a tongue cleaner. Bath every day with mild soap. Don't use very cold or very hot water. So one should do brush twice in a day but not more than 5 minutes. Also when you brush, your toothpaste should be soft. Then you should bath every day with the mild soap. The water should not be very cold or very hot. Then your toothbrush, towel, razor, soap and comb are your personal efforts. Do not share them with anybody. So you should not share the towel, soap, comb or toothbrush with anyone else. Keep your nail and hair cut short and well groomed. Wear clean clothes, especially the undergarments. Wash your hand properly before and after every meal and after visiting the toilet using soap and warm water. So one should wash the hand properly before and after every meal and also when you are using the toilet. Keep your toilet clean and disinfected. Keep your home or working space clean. So your home or working space should be clean. So these are the points by which you can keep yourself healthy, and by taking balanced diet you can keep your body fit. So now question answers. First one is, what is balanced diet? The answer is on page number 10. Page number 10. First heading, balanced diet. In this first line, a balanced diet is one that provides all the essential nutrients to the body in the right proportion, in the right quantity, and at the right time of the day. This is your answer number 1. Now second question. Name the different component of food. So second question is also on the same page, page number 10. Second paragraph, second line. Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, fiber and water in optimum quantities. This is your answer number 2. Now coming on to question number 3. Why are carbohydrate and protein essentially needed during adolescence? So answer number 3 is on same page, page number 10. Fourth line, second paragraph, fourth line. Carbohydrate and fat provide energy and heat. Protein enable tissue growth and repair. This is your answer number 3. Now question 4. What is meant by personal hygiene? So answer 4 is personal hygiene is a way of caring for body. This practice include bathing, washing your hands, brushing your teeth and more. Personal hygiene practice can help you and the people around you prevent illness. They can help you feel good. This is your answer number 4. I am repeating it. Personal hygiene is a way of caring for body. This practice included bathing, washing your hands, brushing your teeth and more. Personal hygiene practice can help you and the people around you prevent illness. They can help you feel good. Now coming on to question number 5. When should you wash your hand? So question number 5 is on page number 11. Last point. Wash your hand properly before and after every meal and visiting the toilet using soap and warm water. This is your answer number 5. Now coming on to B part, match the following. First one is protein. So first answer is growth and repair of tissue. Answer number 1 is growth and repair of tissue. Second, fiber. Answer is aid in digestion. Aids in digestion. This is your answer second. Then tinned fruit. Answer is unhealthy food. Third answer is unhealthy food. And fourth one, nails or hair. Fourth answer is short or well groomed. Then fifth, towel. Fifth answer is personal use. Now coming on to C part, fill in the blanks. First one, good nutrition means eating a balanced diet. First answer is balanced diet. Second, dash provide energy and heat. Second answer is carbohydrate and fat. Carbohydrate and fat. Third answer, vitamins help dash. Perform vital bodily function. Perform vital bodily function. Fourth answer, always wear dash. Fourth answer is clean clothes. Answer number 4 is clean clothes. Now coming on to D part, state whether the following statements are true or false. So first one, we must eat as much as we can. So it is false. First answer is false. Second, fat and vitamin required are the maximum during adolescence. It is false. Now third, eating fiber deficient food will result in muscles weakness. It is false. Now fourth, we must bath before every meal. It is false. Now fifth, we may share our soap with our siblings. It is false. Now coming to application question, first answer is food item contain fiber. Application question, first answer, food item contain fiber. Second, food item contain carbohydrate and fat. Third, food item contain carbohydrate and fat. Fourth, food item contain vitamins. Fifth, drink pure water. Sixth, take more protein food. Take more protein food. Now next B part, in this also you have to state the statement is true or false. So first one, these food are good for health. This is true. Second, these food are harmful for health. This is true. Third, this is a hygienic practice. This is false. Fourth, this is not a hygienic practice. This is also false. Now your chapter is over.